Sorry, I kept you waiting.
Pranam and warm greetings. I,
Yes.
Dr. Bhagilakshmi Rathore, Registrar General of High Court of Orissa, with utmost humility and respect, seek the kind permission of Your Lordship, Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of Orissa, to formally declare the function open.
Yes.
Thank you, Lordship. The function is declared open. My Lord Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, the Chief Justice of High Court of Orissa. My Lord Honorable Sri Justice Manas Ranjan Pathak, Judge High Court of Orissa and Chairman of the Building Committee. My Lord Honorable Sri Justice Bibu Prasad Rautrai, Judge High Court of Orissa and Administrative Judge of Balasore District. My Lords, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Orissa, esteemed District Judges of Balasore, Balangir, Jagatsinghpur and Nabarangpur District, and the judicial officers of these stations, esteemed officers of the district and police administration of such districts, respected President, Secretary, and learned members of the Bar Associations of Balasore, Balangir, Jagatsinghpur, and Nabarangpur districts joining through virtual mode, distinguished judicial officers of the state joining us virtually, learned officers of this registry, members of the print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you on this momentous occasion in the inauguration of a new commercial court at Balasore and laying of the foundation stones of approved infrastructural projects in the districts of Balangir, Jagatsinghpur and Nabarangpur. The opening of this new commercial court justifies the requirement of the local people of Balasore. Further, laying of foundation stones in this occasion in all these three districts marks not just the beginning of the construction, but the strengthening of our commitment to justice, accessibility, and institutional excellence. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Judges of the High Court of Orissa for their transformational leadership. The Government of Orissa, the district administrations who have contributed for making this dream into a reality deserve an appreciation for the coordinated efforts which have culminated in today's inauguration. May I now humbly request Honorable the Chief Justice, High Court of Orissa, to inaugurate the aforementioned new court and laying the foundation stones of the approved infrastructural projects in the above three districts. May I now request Srimati Luna Mahanti, Registrar Administration, High Court of Odisha, to read out the official notification pertaining to the newly established Commercial Court at Balasore.
Namaskar. Notification of the Court of Civil Justice Senior Division Commercial Court at Balasore. Government of Odisha Law Department. Notification number IJ 12 of 2021 10282 of A dated 14 September 2022. In exercise of the powers conferred by Section 3 and Subsection 1 of Section 9, read with Section 10 of Odisha Civil Codes Act 1984, Odisha Act 18 of 1984, and Section 3 of the Commercial Courts Act 2015, 4 of 2016, the State Government, on the recommendation of and after consultation with the High Court of Odisha, do hereby establish the following courts of civil justice senior division at the places as mentioned in column 2 of the schedule below, in addition to the existing number of such commercial courts in the state, established in the notification of the Government of Odisha in the Law Department number 10933/L dated 13th November 2020, published in the extraordinary issue of the Odisha Gazette number 1413 dated the 18th November 2020. The number of such courts as mentioned in column 4 in the respective jurisdiction having local limits of jurisdiction mentioned against each in column 3 of the said schedule for the purpose of exercising the jurisdiction and powers on those courts under the Commercial Courts Act 2015 with effect from the date on which the said courts are made functional. Schedule serial number 4. Place of sitting of this commercial court is Balasore Sadar. Extent of local limits of jurisdiction is District of Balangir, Bhadrak, Mayurbhanj and Keonjhar by order of the Governor, Principal Secretary to Government. Namaskar.
Thank you, Madam. May I now humbly request Honorable Sri Justice Bibu Prasad Rautray, Judge High Court of Odisha, and the Administrative Judge of Balasore Joseph to kindly deliver the address. Lordship, please.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone. The Honorable Chief Justice, Sri Harish Tandon, and all honorable judges present here, the esteemed judicial officers, the administrative officers, and the members of the bar present through virtual mode. Establishment of a commercial court is under the special statute is always intended to reduce the work pressure. At Balasore, it was a long demand for establishing a commercial court, keeping in view the number of commercial cases pending in the judgeship. The establishment of a commercial court at Balasore was a necessary and a policy-driven step in furtherance of the objectives of the Commercial Courts Act 2015, which envisages speedy and specialized adjudication of commercial disputes to promote ease of doing business. In northern part of Odisha, Balasore is known as the key commercial place for its commercial and administrative activities, together with its adjoining districts like Bhadrak, Mayurbhanj, and Keonjhar, which forms a significant economic cluster in the industrial, mining, trade, and agro-based industries. Many commercial establishments, including a number of industries, are already there in the Balasore, and in addition to it, in the neighboring districts also. The region also carries maritime and strategic significance, and as for available data, 1,831 cases of different categories have already been identified and transferred to the newly inaugurated Commercial Court at Balasore as commercial disputes from these 4 cluster districts, including 675 numbers of cases were transferred from district courts of Balasore Judgeship, 175 numbers of cases from Mayurbhanj Judgeship, 374 cases from Bhadrak Judgeship, and 607 cases were transferred from Keonjhar Judgeship. In the absence of a dedicated commercial court in the region, Such cases were handled at the respective courts, rendering congestion in caseload, causing inconvenience, increased litigation costs, and delay in disposal. So establishment of the commercial court at Balasore will definitely ensure reduction of pendency in regular courts, providing a specialized forum for time-bound resolution of the commercial disputes. It will improve judicial efficiency and strengthen the investment climate in the region. The establishment of a commercial court at Balasore for the cluster districts of Balasore, Bhadrak, Mayurbhanj, and Keonjhar will thus boost effective commercial justice delivery and regional economic development. Thank you. Thank you all. Namaskar.
Thank you for Lordship's inspiring words of wisdom and encouragement. May I now humbly invite Honorable Sri Justice Manas Ranjan Pathak, Judge, High Court of Odisha, and the Chairman of the Building Committee to kindly address the August Assembly. Lordship, please.
Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, Chief Justice of the High Court of Odisha, my sister and brother judges of the High Court of Odisha, Dr. Bhagya Lakshmi Rath, Registrar General, and her entire team of the Registry of the High Court of Odisha, learned district and session judges, and all the learned judicial officers of Odisha, particularly Balangir, Jagatsinghpur, and Nabarangpur districts, presidents, vice presidents, secretaries, and executive members at Balangir, Jagatsinghpur, Nabarangpur Bar Associations, as well as that of Balasore, Bangamunda, Kantabaji, Loisingha, Muribahal, Saintala, and Titagar. Officers and personnel of the government of Odisha, other officers and staff of the concerned courts, learned advocates, other stakeholders, and ladies and gentlemen who have joined us virtually from across the state. Namaskar and a very good morning to one and all. It is indeed a matter of great pride and privilege that we have gathered here today on this momentous occasion. Access to justice is one of the fundamental tenets of the Constitution. For the said purpose, adequate infrastructure requires to be provided to the courts. Today, we mark the inauguration of the new commercial court in the cadre of Civil Judge Senior Division at Balasore, thereby increasing the total number of such courts in the state of Odisha to 8. This initiative is aimed at enhancing efficiency and ensuring expeditious disposal of commercial disputes through timely resolution. Simultaneously, we take a significant step forward with the laying of foundation stones of 24 important projects across the judgeships of Balangir, Jagatsinghpur, and Nabarangpur. These projects include the establishment of court building at Bangamunda, bar facilities at Jagatsinghpur, at Jharigaon of Nabarangpur district, and at Bangamunda, Loisingha, Saintala of Balanga district, transit houses at Balangir, Bangamunda, Kantabanji, Loisingha, Muribahal, Saintala, Balanga district, residential quarter of judicial officers at Bangamunda and Saintala, and staff quarters at Kantabanji, Loisingha, Muribahal, Saintala, and Titagar of Balangir district. Construction of the court as well as the bar building at Bangamunda are under centrally sponsored scheme, and the other 22 projects are under the state-sponsored scheme. Once improved infrastructure in these places are ready, it will strengthen and enhance the justice delivery system that will fulfill the requirement of access to justice as well as the noble cause of dispensing justice. The assistance and support of the central and the state government in providing these facilities in various places of the districts concerned in the state are laudable. I, on behalf of the High Court of Odisha and its building committee, congratulate all of you for the opening of new commercial court at Balasore, as well as for laying of the foundation stones of these 24 new approved projects. Thank you, Jai Hind, and Namaskar.
Thank you, Lordship, for Lordship's insightful and inspiring address. It is now my honor and privilege to humbly invite Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, to deliver the inaugural address. My Lord, please.
My brother and sister judges who are present in this momentous occasion, the district judges of the respective districts where we have inaugurated the new commercial courts, and laid the foundational stone for many infrastructures. The members of the bar, the members of the registry, all the stakeholders who are involved in achieving this milestone. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just inaugurated the commercial court at Balasore, which is considered to be an industrial and a commercial hub. Is known for his various activities, which has really shaped the countries to develop develop socially, economically, and otherwise as well. As the government of India mooted out a motto of ease of doing business, there was a first milestone which was achieved by the government to give us the Commercial Courts Act. The special and specialized court is disposing of the cases which involves the commercial disputes, which is also defined within the said act. It is really heartening to note that we have been able to establish 8 commercial courts in the state. And I hope and trust that the many would come in future. The commercial courts are not a conventional courts, but deals with the commercial disputes, which is bound to happen when there is a commercial activities. It is a very exhaustive legislation encompassing the ease of procedural hazards which an ordinary civil litigation faces in the different courts in the districts. One of the very significant aspect which I need to highlight, especially to my judges who are adorning the chair as a commercial court judge, that case management is a very significant step which you have to take as and when you deal with any commercial litigations. The litigations must be disposed of in a time-bound manner as ordained in the statute itself. And there, as my brother BP Rautre has just highlighted, that there is a pendency of 1,831 cases in the newly established commercial court at Balasore. What is more important in this regard is the mindset which you should have while dealing with the commercial litigations, and not with the mindset which you always carry in an ordinary civil litigations. You should also know about the nitty-gritty of the commercial dealings, the importance of the commercial documents, which is defined as a mercantile document in the Commercial Courts Act, and the impact of such evidence in dispensation of justice. If the commercial litigations are disposed of within a time span as provided in the statute, it will not only advance the commercial activities in the area, but also invite many investors to come, with the sense that in the event any commercial dispute arise, we did not have to wait years after years, which is a normal reality in ordinary civil litigations. Once again, I thank the, the, the Odisha government for extending their support and providing all facilities in establishing the commercial court at Balasore, and the commercial judge who has just adorned the chair of the commercial court will definitely live up to our expectations and also the expectations which our law framers envisioned at the time of enacting the Commercial Courts Act. We have also laid a foundational stone in 3 different districts for a transit house, the C, E, and F type of quarters, and the bar hall. And I hope that it would come in a very short while, will not consume much time, and it will definitely provide a better facilities to the members of the bar of the respective districts where the bar hall will be constructed, so that they can discharge their duties with ease, calm, and it will ultimately impact the quality disposal of the cases and a dispensation of justice. Once again, I congratulate all of you for being present in this momentous occasions. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bande Utkal Janani.
Thank you, my lord. We are deeply grateful for the enlightening and inspiring address delivered today. Your lordship's words have not only enriched our understanding, but have also guided us with wisdom, clarity, and vision. The insights shared will definitely leave a lasting impact on all of us and continue to inspire our professional journey. We are moving now towards the end of this program. May I now request Sri Srinivas Pratihari, Registrar Vigilance, High Court of Odisha, to propose the vote of thanks and to seek the kind permission of the Honorable Chair to declare the function formally closed. Thank you and pranam.
Thank you, Madam. Namaskar. Today marks a proud and significant occasion as we are witnessing the virtual inauguration of a new commercial court at Balasore, along with the laying of foundation stones for various projects in the District of Balangir, Jagatsinghpur, and Nabarangpur. This development marks a significant step forward in our ongoing journey to strengthen the accessibility, reach, and effectiveness of our judicial system. On behalf of all present, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to my Lord, Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, whose visionary leadership and deep commitment to the administration of justice continue to inspire and guide us. His Lordship's gracious presence today is a testament to his unwavering dedication to strengthening the judiciary across the state. We remain grateful to all the honorable judges of the High Court of Odisha for sparing their valuable time and gracing this occasion with their physical as well as virtual presence. Your Lordship's participation has undoubtedly elevated the dignity and significance of this event. We gratefully acknowledge the presence and continued support of the Lord and District Judges, all the judicial officers across the state, district administration, police authorities, esteemed president and secretaries, as well as members of various bar associations and the office bearer for the legal forums for their participation in today's event. With these acknowledgements, may I now seek the permission of the Honorable Chair to formally declare the function closed.
Yes.
Thank you, my Lord. The event is declared closed.